rats in there?
They're actually not rats. We originally had rats, but the rats were too big, so we ended up going to Petco. And all the mice we use are from Petco. Okay. Yeah, we take very good care. We take better care of the mice in this building than the Congress people take care of Americans. We take better care of the mice than they take care of us, of course. Hey, tell us about your campaign. It's 3 weeks away, man.
Yeah, it's coming real fast. It's working out, you know. You turn on the TV set and you see what's going on, and people are waking up, right? It's going to be another red wave here in New York. It's going to be a huge red wave, and I can't wait till I'm up there working and doing what I have to do to help New Yorkers. And I felt a calling, you know, that I should go out and do the right thing for all of us, and especially for my family. It's not really about the money. It's not really about the salary. It's being real. We need to get back up economically. We need to, you know, get work. You know, that's my emphasis: work and safety. I like boxing. Of course, Muhammad Ali. Marvelous Marvin Hagler, Mike Tyson. The other person that I admire is Mayweather.
Yeah,
Okay, no, he did his thing. Yeah,
where'd you try?
In fact, Lotus Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu.
Yeah.
It's close by here.
It's on Astoria Boulevard, isn't it? Very nice place.
But I was in one of their extended classes in Flushing. They have another student that graduated from there, and he opened his own school.
They do?
It's Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu.
Nice
so I went to
place.
that because it was closer to me. But the competition was basically at the Lotus Brazilian.
I think it'd be great for New York to have an assemblyman who's done a bit of rolling in the jiu-jitsu gym. So you rolled a little bit.
Yeah, I rolled a little bit. You know, it's pretty much the same as judo. So pretty much of the judo, I did it for when I did judo, I did 3 years, 6 days a week. So you can imagine that stays into your body, becomes you know, second nature to you. Even if you get off of it, but it becomes, you don't lose that. You don't lose the grappling. It's one of the things that's different in boxing. In boxing, you know, you're throwing punches. I took a little bit of boxing. I see the difference. I took boxing for about 7 months, and I was doing 5-day weeks, 3 hours a day. So you can imagine, my wife almost killed me. Like, where are you going? I was over the boxing gym.
Sounds like you were enjoying it.
Yes, I was enjoying it, but once you get off of boxing, you lose the wind, you lose that. But grappling, it's something that's natural for men. It's natural to you know, you don't lose the feel.
How are you going to handle all the rats when you're an assemblyman? Is that the judo and jiu-jitsu going to
All
help?
I gotta do is take the cheese away. That's it.
Well, there we go. Candidate who wants to let the people keep their own cheese.
Exactly. Right? Hey, we you know, we have to go in mass. If all the Queens gets together and we start doing that, we'll get their attention. Because we're the ones that control whoever goes up to Albany, and you guys are the ones that control to help me get to Albany too.